Hey traders, candlestick patterns are one of the most important concepts when it comes to trading profitably, yet you would be surprised that most beginners still use them incorrectly. The most confusing part about trading candlestick patterns is figuring out which ones actually work, since there are a lot of them. But here's the truth: 99% of these patterns do not actually work, and I know this because I have tested all of them throughout my trading career. However, I found that a handful of double candlestick patterns worked extremely well, and to this day have made me a lot of profit. In this video, I will reveal the 5 most profitable double candlestick patterns that you actually need to know to find high win rate trade entries. So without further ado, let's dive right into it. First, what is a double candlestick pattern? A double candlestick pattern is a formation that consists of exactly 2 consecutive candles that give us a high probability signal of where the market is going to move next. A single candle gives us a piece of the puzzle, but when we combine 2 consecutive candles, it tells a much stronger story about the battle between buyers and sellers. Understanding these 2 candle sequences is essential for price action traders to analyze the market more accurately. The first double candlestick pattern you need to know is the bullish engulfing pattern. A bullish engulfing pattern is a candlestick pattern made up of 2 candles, a smaller red candle, followed immediately by a larger green candle. The key point is that the body of the second green candle needs to completely cover or engulf the body of the first red candle. When you see this pattern on a price chart, it signals a strong potential trend reversal to the upside. What this shows us is that at first, sellers were in control, pushing the price down, but then buyers stepped in with immense volume and pushed the price back up, even as far as surpassing the previous candle's opening price. This indicates that there is a strong buying pressure in this area. The best way to trade this is by combining it with a key support level or a moving average. If a bullish engulfing pattern forms at an area of high confluence, you can enter a long position at the close of the green candle, placing your stop loss slightly below the bottom wick of the candle, and target a 1.5 to 2 times risk-to-reward ratio. The second pattern is the exact opposite, the bearish engulfing pattern. This occurs when a smaller green candle is followed by a larger red candle, and the second red candle's body completely covers the previous green candle. What this tells us is that buyers initially tried pushing the price all the way up, creating a green candle, but then sellers came in stronger and pushed the price back down completely, erasing all the gains of the previous candle. This indicates a massive shift in momentum to the downside. If you spot a bearish engulfing pattern forming at a strong resistance level or while the price is below the 200-period exponential moving average, it becomes a highly probable sell signal. You can take a short position right at the close of the bearish engulfing candle, place your stop loss above the top wick of the red candle, and target a 1.5 to 2 times risk-to-reward ratio. Moving on to pattern number 3, we have the tweezer bottom pattern. This is a powerful double candlestick pattern that consists of 2 consecutive candles that have long lower wicks ending at the exact same bottom level. The color of the candle bodies doesn't matter as much as the wicks do. When you see 2 long wicks rejecting the same exact bottom level, it creates a double rejection, which is a massive price action clue, indicating a strong loss of downward momentum. Sellers tried to push the price lower twice, but buyers stepped in and aggressively defended that level both times. This pattern is often used by professional traders to spot liquidity sweeps, where the market intentionally wicks through a level to take out stop losses before bouncing heavily. To trade this, wait for the second candle to close, confirming the double rejection. Enter a buy position, place your stop loss safely below the wicks, and ride the upward reversal. Pattern number 4 is the tweezer top, which is the bearish counterpart to the tweezer bottom. This pattern forms when you have 2 consecutive candles with long upper wicks that reject the exact same high price level. Again, the color of the bodies doesn't matter as much as those 2 long upper wicks. What this setup shows us is that buyers tried to push the price to higher highs twice, but failed both times because sellers immediately stepped in and defended that resistance level, forming a double top rejection. This is a clear sign of momentum loss from the buyers. To increase the win rate of this pattern, you want to make sure you are trading it in the direction of the long-term trend. For example, if the price is below the 200-period EMA, indicating a downtrend, and price makes a pullback that ends with a tweezer top, that is an incredibly high probability sell signal. Enter a short position at the close of the bearish engulfing candle. Set your stop loss right above the wicks and aim for a target that is at least 2 times the size of your stop loss. Finally, pattern number 5 is the inside bar pattern. This double candlestick pattern is the ultimate breakout and continuation signal. An inside bar forms when you have a very large first candle, followed immediately by a small second candle that is completely contained within the high and low range of the first candle. This represents a period of narrow ranging and consolidation after a large impulsive move. The market is essentially taking a quick breather. Because volatility is constantly changing from low to high and vice versa, periods of low volatility in an inside bar will eventually lead to a massive breakout. The best way to trade the inside bar is to use it as a trend continuation strategy. If the market is in a strong uptrend and you spot an inside bar forming, you wait for the price to break out above the high of the first candle. Once a momentum candle breaks out, you can confidently enter a buy position in the direction of the original trend, placing your stop loss safely below the low of the inside bar. Now keep in mind, you cannot simply take a position just because you spotted one of these double candlestick patterns. Key levels are not magic, and prices can always break right through them. To truly make these patterns profitable, you must use additional price action techniques to confirm your analysis. For instance, combining these double candlestick patterns with the first pullback strategy is highly effective. If you spot a trend reversal, instead of buying at the absolute top, wait for the price to make its first pullback into a key level or a fair value gap. If a bullish engulfing pattern or a tweezer bottom forms right at the end of that first pullback, you have just found a golden setup with an incredible risk-to-reward ratio. Always remember to manage your risk by ensuring your profit potential is at least 1.5 or 2 times the size of your stop loss. I just revealed to you the 5 most profitable double candlestick patterns that you can immediately use right now, and all I ask for in return is for you to invest 2 seconds of your time into liking the video and subscribe to the channel. It literally takes only 2 clicks, but it means so much to me. And you can also check out my other videos as well. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.